guys, welcome to my video. Today, I'm going to show you how it works in grapes. If it clicks twice, it means that I pass. But if it clicks once, that means I didn't pass. And then I had to go back to the line again. My crew boss is about to give us today's field study. About to start leafing and removing the shoot. And how many shoot we have to leave. We have to count how many leaves we have to take it off. Take it off 3 or 4 leaves. I cannot take it off 5 or 6 leaves. Take out the leaves next to the grapes. Take off all this trash leaves. And take this shoot off. This is how they want to see. To be able to see to the other side. They want to leave to shoot and other too. But I have to work so fast. My hands and my gloves are very wet. It's because the rain got all the leaves wet. My sweater is very wet and it's so cold outside. The supervisor is with my boss. They saw something that they did not like. He said that if I see shoot facing down, I have to tick it off. At break time, I only have 10 minutes for break. They want 3 to 4 inches of space. I will show you the different sizes of shoot. Leave the large ones shoot. Take off the small shoot. Because the small ones are weak, and the big one are strong. Like this kind of size they do not want. It's time for break for only 30 minutes of break. Back to work. There is a black widow spider. Sometimes they have a lot of spiders everywhere. This tree is too small, so we leave it alone. If I see this shoe, you have to take it off. There is supervisor and the owner of this property. They are checking if I did a good work. But if he sees something that he didn't like, he is going to give us new instructions. The supervisor decided to go with the new change. Now they want to take more leaves off. I have to take 5 or 6 leaves. I have to stop next to the tendril. No more taking off the leaves next to the grapes. Break is 10 minutes. I never seen anything like this before. It looks funny. Now it's time to leave. This tree is dead. Just leave it, do not do anything. It's time to skin and clock out. Now it's time to go home. This is where I have to start the first one, all the way to the end. They have 100 trees of grapes all the way to the end. We have to do all this grapes trees.